At 9,000 meters below the waves, life thrives in places scientists once thought impossible. From glowing vents to alien-like predators, each realm pushes the limits of biology, and number one is a phenomenon almost nobody can imagine. Hidden among the abyssal plains, cold seeps release mineral-rich fluids that sustain entire communities without sunlight. These oozing vents pump methane and sulfides into the surrounding water, feeding bacteria that form the base of a unique food web. Tiny chemosynthetic microbes convert chemicals into energy, allowing clams, mussels, and tube worms to thrive in clusters that look like ghostly gardens. Researchers estimate that cold seeps cover thousands of square kilometers, yet only a fraction has been mapped. Their presence hints at vast, unseen carbon cycles influencing global climate. Up next, we plunge into the shimmering realm of hydrothermal vents, where temperatures soar and life bursts forth in spectacular fashion.
Surprisingly, the ocean floor at 9 kilometers depth hosts towering chimneys that spew superheated, mineral-laden water, creating hydrothermal vent fields. These vents can reach temperatures exceeding 350 degrees Celsius, yet the surrounding seawater remains just above freezing, forming steep chemical gradients. Giant tube worms, some stretching over 2 meters, anchor themselves to the vent structures, housing symbiotic bacteria that turn vent chemicals into nourishment. Giant clams and blind shrimp dart among the plumes, thriving where sunlight never reaches. Scientists believe these ecosystems may mirror early Earth conditions, offering clues to the origin of life. Next, we explore the eerie twilight world of abyssal corals, where slow-growing colonies create towering reefs in perpetual darkness.
Rarely seen by human eyes, abyssal coral reefs rise from the dark seafloor like silent cathedrals. Composed of cold water species such as black coral and bamboo coral, these structures can live for centuries, providing habitat for fish, crustaceans, and sponges. Their skeletal frameworks are built from calcium carbonate, despite the high pressure that makes mineral deposition challenging. Studies suggest these reefs may act as carbon sinks, locking away cove for millennia. Divers and submersibles have recorded reefs spanning dozens of meters, yet much remains unknown due to their inaccessibility. Coming up, we descend into the realm of giant amphipods, the largest crustaceans ever recorded at such depths.
Mysterious to many, giant amphipods dominate the mid-abyssal zone, reaching lengths of up to 30 centimeters, far larger than their shallow water cousins. These scavengers feast on detritus falling from a surface, playing a crucial role in nutrient recycling. Their translucent bodies reveal a network of veins that pump hemolymph through a pressure-resistant exoskeleton. Researchers estimate that a single amphipod can consume up to 10% of its body weight per day, an impressive feat given the scarce food supply. Their presence indicates a surprisingly robust ecosystem even at extreme depths. Soon, we'll encounter the luminous wonders of deep-sea bioluminescent fish, whose glow lights up the black ocean.
Glowing in the pitch-black abyss, bioluminescent fish use light to hunt, communicate, and evade predators. Species like the lanternfish and dragonfish possess specialized photophores along their bodies, emitting soft blues and greens that can be turned on or off at will. Some generate light through symbiotic bacteria, while others produce it chemically within specialized organs. This illumination not only attracts prey, but also creates a dazzling display that can confuse predators. Estimates suggest that bioluminescence occurs in up to 90% of deep-sea species, making it a dominant survival strategy. Up next, we venture into the mysterious realm of the deep-sea squid, whose massive eyes pierce the darkness.
Incredible, the giant deep-sea squid roams the 9-kilometer abyss, boasting eyes the size of dinner plates, among the largest in the animal kingdom. These massive predators can stretch up to 6 meters, equipped with tentacles lined with razor-sharp suckers that capture unsuspecting prey. Their ink, released at extreme pressures, forms a cloud that expands rapidly, confusing both predators and prey. Recent submersible footage suggests they may migrate vertically, following nutrient pulses from surface storms. While sightings remain rare, scientists estimate their population could number in the thousands across the global ocean floor. Coming up, we reveal the astonishing adaptations of the deep-sea snailfish, the smallest vertebrate found at these depths.
Hidden in the crushing trenches, snailfish are the tiniest vertebrates known to inhabit such depths, often measuring less than 10 centimeters. Their gelatinous bodies lack scales, reducing the risk of damage under immense pressure. Adaptations include a flexible skull and a reduced bone density, allowing them to survive where most fish would be crushed. Despite their size, snailfish are voracious predators, feeding on amphipods and other small invertebrates. Researchers have recorded some specimens at depths exceeding 8,000 meters, making them true pioneers of the Hadal zone. Next, we explore the enigmatic giant tube worms that form towering colonies around vent sites.
Astounding, giant tube worms can grow over 2 meters tall, anchoring themselves to hydrothermal vents with a network of roots that absorb chemicals. Their red plumes, packed with blood vessels, extract hydrogen sulfide from vent fluids, feeding symbiotic bacteria that turn the toxin into organic carbon. This relationship creates a thriving oasis in an otherwise barren landscape. The worms can live for decades, surviving in temperatures that fluctuate between near freezing and over 300 degrees Celsius within centimeters of each other. Their ability to thrive in such extremes challenges our understanding of physiological limits. Finally, we arrive at the crown jewel of the abyss, the enigmatic Mariana Trench microbial mats.
Few people know that the deepest point on Earth harbors sprawling microbial mats, shimmering with a faint orange hue. These dense colonies of extremophilic bacteria and archaea cling to rock surfaces, metabolizing iron, manganese, and even trace amounts of organic carbon. The mats create microenvironments that support tiny multicellular organisms, forming the base of a hidden food web. Their metabolic pathways are so unique that scientists study them for clues about life on other planets and for potential biotechnological applications. While still largely unexplored, estimates suggest these mats could cover several square kilometers of the trench floor. Up next, we reveal the ultimate marvel that tops our list.
Finally, the living rock forests of the Hadal zone stand as the most astonishing deep-sea ecosystem ever recorded. These towering structures, formed by interwoven colonies of sponges, corals, and tube worms, rise like underwater skyscrapers from the trench floor, sometimes reaching heights of over 20 meters. They create a three-dimensional habitat that supports a diverse community of fish, crustaceans, and even elusive giant amphipods. The forests thrive on a constant drizzle of organic particles sinking from a surface, turning the abyss into a bustling metropolis of life. Remarkably, the organisms here have adapted to pressures exceeding 1,100 bars, temperatures near 2 degrees Celsius, and total darkness, yet they flourish with vibrant colors and complex behaviors. This ecosystem redefines the limits of biological resilience, reminding us that even the most hostile corners of our planet pulse with wonder.
We've journeyed through 10 extraordinary deep-sea ecosystems, each a testament to nature's ingenuity under unimaginable pressure. From the subtle chemistries of cold seeps to the dazzling, towering chimneys of hydrothermal vents, these worlds redefine what life can look like far beneath the surface. If you felt the wonder of these hidden realms, hit the like button and share this video with fellow explorers. Subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing list, released every week, where we uncover more of Earth's most astonishing secrets. Which ecosystem surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below.